Corporate finance is entering a pivotal era where AI is no longer optional. It's foundational to how modern financial leaders create value. Historically, finance was centered on reporting, compliance, and backward looking analysis. But AI changes everything. It shifts the finance function into a predictive, insight driven powerhouse where CFOs and finance executives guide business strategy with unprecedented clarity. With AI, insights are no longer generated monthly or quarterly. They're continuous, real time, and explainable. Routine tasks like reconciliations, invoice processing, and data validation are being fully automated, freeing finance teams to focus on strategic analysis and business partnering. Companies that embrace this transformation early are outperforming competitors in cost efficiency, forecasting accuracy, risk management, and agility. As we move through this course, you'll see how AI elevates finance from a support function to an intelligence engine that drives organizational growth. AI matters now more than ever because the financial environment has fundamentally changed. Markets move faster, volatility is higher, and the volume of financial, operational, and macroeconomic data has exploded. Traditional tools, Excel sheets, manual models, static reports simply cannot keep up with today's pace of decision making. AI gives finance leaders the ability to convert massive, complex data sets into high quality predictions at scale. This allows you to anticipate revenue shifts, manage liquidity more efficiently, and react to risks before they escalate. Boards and CEOs increasingly expect CFOs to lead this shift, not just support it. AI becomes your strategic advantage, helping you reduce errors, accelerate insights, and strengthen the precision of every financial decision. In this environment, the companies that adopt AI will survive. Those that master it will lead. AI is delivering transformative value across the entire finance function. In FP&A, machine learning models generate far more accurate forecasts, helping leaders plan with greater confidence. Scenario modeling becomes dynamic, allowing you to simulate the impact of new pricing strategies, supply chain disruptions, or macroeconomic shifts instantly. In Treasury, AI enhances liquidity visibility, optimizes working capital, and predicts cash shortfalls before they happen. In risk and compliance, AI powered anomaly detection highlights unusual transactions, fraud patterns, and governance gaps that humans might miss. Operationally, AI automates everything from reconciliations to monthly close narratives, dramatically reducing cycle times. And strategically, AI becomes a powerful intelligence engine, summarizing market events, analyzing competitors, and supporting M&A due diligence. When you combine all of these capabilities, AI doesn't just improve financial operations, it redefines the strategic influence of finance within the organization. As AI becomes embedded in financial operations, the CFO's role shifts dramatically. Instead of focusing mainly on historical reporting, finance leaders are now expected to guide the organization using predictive real time analytics. This requires a new leadership identity, one where the CFO becomes the orchestrator of insight, technology, and data strategy. With AI, you no longer wait for month end to understand the business. You can foresee risks, identify opportunities, and shape strategic priorities proactively. Finance teams evolve into insight partners, working hand in hand with operations, sales, and executive leadership. To succeed in this new landscape, financial leaders must build AI literacy and understand how intelligent systems support governance, forecasting, and decision making. This transformation is not about replacing finance professionals, it's about empowering them to lead with deeper intelligence. What this transformation means for your organization is profound. AI accelerates the speed and accuracy of every core finance process, from reporting to forecasting to closing the books. It allows your teams to shift from manual processing to strategic decision making. AI driven insights replace guesswork with evidence based intelligence, enabling better capital allocation, sharper pricing decisions, and more resilient budgeting strategies. Operationally, AI absorbs the heavy repetitive tasks, giving your team more bandwidth to partner with the business. In risk management, AI provides earlier warnings, tighter controls, and stronger protection against fraud and compliance failures. Over time, finance becomes not just an operational necessity, but a high value strategic engine that influences innovation, growth, and competitive positioning. AI doesn't just make finance faster, it makes it smarter, stronger, and significantly more influential within the enterprise.